Why and how to set up a manufacturing business for disposable plastic syringes. Disposable plastic syringes are essential medical devices used for injecting medications, vaccines, and drawing blood samples. The demand for these syringes has surged due to their single-use nature, which prevents cross-contamination and the spread of infections. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps and requirements to set up a manufacturing business for disposable plastic syringes, the machinery needed, market demand, and opportunities for startups. 1. High demand. The global disposable syringes market was valued at $7.44 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach $13.71 billion by 2033. Have any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.